Hello everyone, and welcome to the lesson 6 of strategy 4. This is a very interesting problem I have taken from this book Kenken Strategies. It is a best example of explaining the concept of impossible combinations. This is a small part of 8 by 8 Kenken puzzle, so I can use numbers 1 to 8. Okay, let's start with this. It says 48 multiplication, and we have 3 boxes or 3 cells in the same row. Possible combinations are 8 6 1, or I can say 8 3 2, or I can put 4 6 2. Yes, these are the options. There is no, and it says for division. For this we have only 2 options, 1 4 or 2 8. Now start with this. Okay, for example, if we use 8 6 1 in this particular cage, now what will happen? I will not be able to use this option. This option is out because 8 is already there in this row, so I cannot use again the second 8. And I also cannot use this option as well because 1 is already there. If I use 8 6 1 in any order in this cage, 1 is already there. That means I cannot use 1 and 4 as well. That means this particular option is out of the question. This is an impossible combination. Same way, if I use 8 3 2 8 3 2 in any order, I don't know about the order, I'm just putting 8 3 2 in any order in this cage, I will not be able to use this option because 8 is already there. This option is out. Can I use 1 and 4? Yes, I can use 1 and 4. So for this I can use 1 and 4. Perfect. Now let's take this option 4 6 2. 4 6 2. Then what will happen? I will not be able to use this option because 2 is already there in this cage. If I use 4 6 2, this option is out. Same way, if I use 4 6 2, 4 is already there in this cage. That means I cannot use 1 and 4 as well. That means this is also an impossible combination for this particular cage. Now the only possible combination out of these 3 is 8 3 2 in any order. I don't know about the order at this point of time, so I am putting in small font. 8 3 2 will be used in this particular cage. 1 and 4 again in any order will be used in this particular cage. At this point of time I'm not sure about the position, but that's the reason I'm writing 1 and 4 in small fonts. Same way I'm writing 8 3 2 in this cage as well because I'm not sure about the position of each number. But this gives you a very good example of impossible combinations. I hope you enjoyed this. We will come out with more lessons on this strategy. Thank you very much.